Welcome friends. Hope you like our last video. Let's start with new topic. Wait. Do you like and subscribe our channel? Do it now. And also press bell icon to get latest video updates.
Importance of microeconomics. 1. Price determination. Microeconomics explains how the prices of different products and various factors of production are determined. 2. Free market economy. Microeconomics helps in understanding the working of a free market economy. A free market economy is one where economic decisions regarding the production of goods, such as what to produce, how much to produce, and how to produce, are taken at individual levels. There is no intervention by the government or any other agency. 3. Foreign trade. Microeconomics helps in explaining various aspects of foreign trade, such as the effects of tariffs on a particular commodity, the determination of currency exchange rates between countries, and the gains from international trade for a particular country. 4. Economic model building. Microeconomics helps in understanding various complex economic situations with the help of economic models. It has contributed significantly to economics by developing various terms, concepts, terminologies, and tools of economic analysis. Economic models are built using various economic variables. 5. Business decisions. Microeconomic theories are helpful to businesses in making crucial decisions. These decisions are related to determining the cost of production, setting prices for goods, and maximizing output and profit. 6. Useful to government. Microeconomics is useful to the government in framing economic policies, such as taxation policy, public expenditure policy, and price policy. These policies help the government achieve its goals of efficient resource allocation and promoting the economic welfare of society. 7. Basis of welfare economics. Microeconomics explains how the best results can be obtained through the optimal utilization of resources and their best allocation. It also studies how taxes affect social welfare.